Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to scikit-learn pipeline best practices, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the official scikit-learn website to access their documentation. Navigate to the section dedicated to pipelines. Familiarize yourself with the core concepts of the scikit-learn pipeline. Identify the specific best practices outlined in the documentation. Read through the examples provided to understand how pipelines can be structured. Make note of the important components, such as transformers and estimators. Consider your dataset and how these best practices can be applied to it. Set up your development environment if you haven't already. Install scikit-learn using pip if you have not done so. Open your preferred code editor or integrated development environment. Import the necessary libraries, including scikit-learn. Create a data pre-processing pipeline based on the best practices. Add suitable transformers to handle missing values or encode categorical variables. Integrate an estimator at the end of your pipeline for model fitting. Experiment with different configurations to optimize performance. Validate your pipeline by running tests on sample datasets. Evaluate the effectiveness of your model using appropriate metrics. Iterate on your pipeline based on performance results. Regularly check for updates in the scikit-learn documentation for any new best practices. Share your findings and improvements with the community for collaborative learning. By adopting these steps, you can effectively implement scikit-learn pipeline best practices in your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.